Oh my God, I'm 7 years old.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have Kristen. How do you say your last name?
mcatee.
mcatee. I have been saying it wrong.
mcatee.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
mcatee. Is that right?
You're right. That's right.
I've just like been avoiding it. No, I thought it was mcatee, but I've just been like fully avoiding it.
Yeah. Everybody says
Yeah.
mcatee, mcatee.
Yeah, mcatee.
mcatee is the
Yeah,
biggest
in my
one.
head. Yeah. Anyways, we are back with another transformation video. We've both been doing like e-girl and visco girl, and so we basically like hit each other up and we're like, let's do a transformation together. And what's left?
Soft girl.
Soft girl. Okay, and also we like during shopping have been like kind of struggling to define soft girl.
It's like almost a cross between an e-girl and a visco girl, because it's like girly and feminine, like a. Well, I guess they're both feminine. Well, like
I know,
visco girls have like the colors and like
the pink drink.
Yeah.
And like I don't know. Anyways,
we tried
really hard. We bought a lot of things. We're also gonna try and do like a little matching situation as well, because like that's cute and why not? Also, like I know butterflies, like that's for sure a thing. I feel like every time I do this video, I like make an e-girl mad or a visco girl mad.
No shade.
But no shade, no tea, no shade. We just trying to be as cute as you.
Yeah. Oh, that's a great way to put it.
Like truly though, like I'm just trying to be as cute as the real soft girls.
Yeah, take this as a compliment.
Yeah.
We're copying you.
Should we do a haul first? Oh wait, no, shopping montage. I have a shopping montage. Shopping montage. We're not even doing e-girl,
oh my God.
soft girl. So there's some major overlap here between e-girls, soft girls, and visco girl.
Unclear, very unclear.
We're just gonna buy everything and figure it out later.
It's a combination girl. Combo girl. Let's talk about butterflies.
Let's talk about butterflies.
So guys, fun fact about me. I hate butterflies. I'm afraid of them.
Like actually afraid.
And now I have to put them on my body.
Butterfly phobia. This has got to be a thing. Oh my God, really? It's like that? Anyway, we're gonna face the fear today and put some butterflies in her hair. Because that's the best way to get over your fear of butterflies. Is with sparkly, glitter, rainbow butterflies.
Yeah, we're starting with nice ones.
These are nice ones. Also, I've never met a mean butterfly, so like I think this is doable.
You ever seen an episode of SpongeBob?
You're right.
I have a list of butterfly types. Monarch, #1.
Who's #2?
The white ones.
The furry ones?
There's furry ones?
Yeah, there's furry ones. What? That's our next video.
Tormenting Kristen, a series by Shane Dawson.
Anyways, back to soft girls. Okay, so we're gonna go for pastels. Like pastels is like the base and the gold pastels. Butterflies, like kawaii type of stuff.
Matching skirts, kind of.
Matching, but opposite.
So not matching at all.
So I am repping the cricket club. What's cricket again? That's a sport, right?
Crow.
You're not just
crochet. Didn't touch. I have a little bit of gold, so I'm thinking about maybe wearing this.
That might be too edgy for the soft girl though. Might be too hard for the soft girl.
Too hard.
I don't know.
Opposite shirts. We gotta crop hers though.
Wow! But well, yeah, we'll do a little DIY action on this one, and it's like a little bit of lace.
Earthquake.
And then matching but opposite bags.
Oh yeah, these bad boys.
So cute!
These bag boys. So now, jewelry. All of our butterfly jewelry. That's what we're talking about.
There's literally so many different butterflies happening. I'm so sorry.
I'm the most excited for these like little twisty guys. I feel like half the people watching this probably weren't even born yet, but in the 90s and early 2000s, this was such a big thing, like twisting them
into your hair.
And everything.
Also, we surprisingly could not find the regular 90s plastic butterfly clips. There were so many different types of butterflies, but not the right ones.
Yep, nothing.
So we have every butterfly accessory you could possibly have, except for the OG ones.
Yeah. I feel like the OG version of these were the ones that would like
the ones that have the springs.
Yeah.
you'd
so
walk around
cool.
and be like, butterflies. Also, is the butterfly fear recent or was it as a kid too? You like weren't
All
down?
my life,
Oh,
yeah.
got it. So no butterfly clips ever.
Since day one.
Got it. Okay, so we got some like heart bangles, butterfly headbands, some cherries, rainbows with little pom-poms on them. Also, it was buy 3 get 3 free at Claire's, and so you can't not do that deal. Also, wait, should I take a moment to read the Urban Dictionary definition? For those of you just learning today, joining us to learn what a soft girl is. Okay, so a soft girl is someone who loves clips and headbands in their hair, cute necklaces and peaches, makeup. They love to wear blush, usually either pink or peachy color. They're also addicted to lip gloss and love painting hearts and clouds on their cheeks. Highlighter is important if you want to be a soft girl. For clothes, cute tank tops, pastel colors, tennis skirts, mom jeans, cute white socks. They wear either white chunky trainers or black school shoes.
School shoe?
Yeah, what's a black school shoe?
Is there a difference between a school shoe and like a
world
out of
shoe?
school shoe?
Yeah, like your weekend shoe. So yeah, I think we're gonna attempt to do some like soft girl peachy makeup with a lot of highlighter.
Yep.
Where's your skill level on makeup? Because mine's real low. Like the expectations need to be down here.
There's no level.
There's no
This
level.
is it. This took a lot of effort and this is like mascara.
Literally, I get lash extensions, so I just like got my brows microbladed, lash
Yep.
extension, so I don't have to put anything on my face.
Yeah, so
this is gonna be really good is what we're saying.
we're really good at this, so follow along.
Okay, so mine's on a crop top and it's a knit, so if you do want to do this at home, you can just add a little bit of clear nail polish to the bottom of the seam and it won't unravel, but just for today, we're just gonna give her a clean little snip. I know, that noise. Jeremy was just telling me this morning how he doesn't like this noise, but this is the most satisfying noise to me.
How does he not?
I don't know.
That last seam too, like a thick seam. Oh yeah.
So good!
I'm scared. Alright, I'm just gonna do it. Are you priming?
Yeah.
Wow.
Watches one James Charles video, primes an eyelid.
My face.
Literally, I know, I make the I'm like a neck crane so far. Ooh!
I can't see it. I'm a soft girl.
I'm a soft girl now. That looks good.
I should just stop while I'm ahead. There we go. Oh, no. It's underneath.
Nothing a little makeup wipe can't fix.
Oh,
Look,
no.
concealer. That's not bad. It'd be crazy to put blue like on my lid. Probably, right?
No. It's very like 2000s.
This could be a fatal mistake though, you know what I mean? It's like
Fatal.
This could be a fatal mistake.
We could die.
We could die.
You're doing a cut crease.
What?
That's not fair. I'm such a sore loser.
No one's gonna. This may have been a fatal mistake.
I don't know. Oh my god, that's so good.
The best part is always when you like get to clean up the look and it just doesn't look as janky.
Oh, how to do that?
But
Like, tell me more.
An interesting look, girls.
by interesting, I hope you mean amazing.
Yes.
Good answer. It looks good.
Maybe I need to look in your mirror.
You don't like it?
No.
No.
Just don't come close with the camera.
I said that my entire e-girl video. I was like, honestly, from 10 feet away,
Not bad.
I look fine.
Just turn around, don't look at me.
Right,
It's
and actually run the other way, and I
Yeah,
look
it's
great.
pretty good. I don't know what else I could do here. Wings.
Eyeliner fixes everything.
Does it though? I'm just debating.
Done.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it seems like blush is like the key characteristic. Also, we just look like we're from the cast of Euphoria right now.
100%.
It's more like Euphoria than Soft Girl. We're like, oh, we're wearing pink and blue. Let's put pink and blue on our
Everywhere. We look like the extras in Euphoria.
Yeah,
at
for
the
sure.
Party.
This is some gems. Okay, so it looks like they have blush everywhere. Like blush as in just like this whole situation. I don't wear blush ever. Like I'm like a very much bronzer highlighter kind of girl.
Yeah.
So we're gonna blush it up. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
That's like normal. Like I feel like people do that.
This is normal. I feel like a doll. Like it looks like I just got off the treadmill because I ran really hard and now I like have rosy cheeks.
I keep looking at yours every time.
I know.
Do I look like that yet? When I make my nose pink, I look sick.
Oh, you look so soft girl right now.
I look so soft.
I look like I just finished watching like Marley and Me.
Ooh,
you know?
reference.
Real sad, real sad. We look crazy.
We just look like little girls that just got their parents'
we're like,
makeup.
oh my god, makeup. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Are we done? I think we're done.
I think we're done. I don't feel as empowered as I did when I turned into an e-girl.
Me
when
too.
I turned into an e-girl, unstoppable.
Same. When I was an e-girl, I was like, I am a bad
Really? We look defeated. We're like
I know.
sad.
Sad soft girls. So we're ready to accessorize. I literally keep forgetting that I look like a crazy person right now, but I'm really excited about this butterfly headband. Oh my god, so many options.
I think I need to do clips because my hair is down.
Yeah, you definitely do like the side clips. In honor of getting over your butterfly fear today, you should wear a butterfly something. As I say it, she picks up the butterfly.
I'm doing it, guys. Oh my god, I'm 7 years old. When I see girls on TikTok like this, like they don't look like babies. They look good.
They look like babies.
I look like a baby.
I look like a giant baby.
Giant baby.
Yeah, okay, that definitely wasn't supposed to be a choker, but now is, so that's fine.
That works.
Bangles are just like such a weird, like,
oh, and it's a heart shape too.
it kind of just looks like a butt. Like, does it look like a heart on my hand or just like a butt?
It looks like you broke your bracelet and you still want to wear it.
Right, yeah, like you bent it in on something and you're like, YOLO, still gonna wear it.
These are so small.
Yeah, I know, they're so tiny. This is now a midi ring and not a normal.
Oh my god.
Pinky ring. I've never felt so oversized.
We're giants playing with them.
Oh my god, yeah! Oh, they should bring these
everywhere.
back. I think this is too much. This is a lot. You're right, I look like a giant baby. I think it's the bangles are not helping. My broken bracelet butt bangles.
Butt bangles.
You can go from looking like a Euphoria character to a baby so fast.
Yeah, maybe because we're sticking to pink and blue because it's not just pink and blue that they
It's like
wear.
white, yellow.
Pastels, yeah. So maybe we need this to
it was
ourselves.
us. I love that all these new trends have so much accessories.
Oh yeah. I don't think this is it.
Giant baby.
Undefeated.
How do you think we did?
I feel a little more comfortable now, so I think we did pretty well because like I don't feel as like
we feel okay with ourselves?
Yeah.
I feel like your outfit is like cuter because it's like a blue and a pink skirt. Because my skirt is blue, I feel like I go to like prep school. Like I feel like if Blair Waldorf met 90s Lisa Frank and had a child, it would be me.
Because we also look like babies.
Right, so we also look like giant 25-year-old babies.
Toddlers.
Okay, so let us know in the comments if we were a little close at nailing soft girl.
Regardless, it was all for fun.
It was all for fun.
Fun and games. I just love dressing up.
Me too.
Like when you texted me, I was like, I don't care what we're doing. I just
You're
wanna dress
literally
up,
like, I'll dress up as anything. Literally, I'm down.
Yeah, honestly.
Kristen and I have both done e-girl and visco girl transformations. If you like transformation videos, so I'll have a link for her channel down below. Make sure to subscribe while you're there, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a weekly fun and save another Sunday.
Wait, can I do that with you?
Yeah, Sunday.
I curled my toes. My toes only go somewhere.
Okay, bye. Okay, let's do an individual one so you can like get tight to like your
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah. I can't look serious. Good. I'm soft.
Fix your butterfly clip and get together.
I'm sorry. I'm difficult.
I'm such a soft girl. So soft.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running.